In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email an employee report in QuickBooks. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or just getting started, sending employee reports can sometimes seem daunting. So, let's simplify this process and make it a routine task you can master in no time. First, you'll need to sign into QuickBooks. Simply open your favorite web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks online login page. Once there, enter your credentials, ensuring you have the correct email and password that you use for QuickBooks. It's a good habit to always double check your entries here to avoid any unnecessary login troubles. After typing in your credentials, click Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, go directly to the Employee section on the QuickBooks dashboard. This section houses all the information related to your employees, and it's where you'll find the reports you want to email. Within the Employee tab, select the specific employee profile that you're interested in. This step is crucial as it pinpoints the report to that particular individual, ensuring that the data you send is relevant and accurate. Once you're in the employee profile, you'll notice an Actions button. Click on it and choose the Run Report option. This action will generate the most recent activities and data linked to this employee, readying it for dispatch. You'll see a small email icon on the report page. This is your cue for the next step. By clicking on the email icon, you're opening up the communication portal within QuickBooks, making it easy to send that report directly from the platform. Once the email draft opens, click on the email option. Here you'll fill in the recipient's email address. Be sure to double check email addresses to ensure they are complete and free of typos, especially if precision is critical. It's also essential to strategically add a subject line and message body. A clear subject line, like Weekly Employee Report, and a brief message in the email body can make the content more understandable and professional. Given the number of emails many people receive, clear communication helps your recipient find the report quickly. With everything filled out, it's time to send the report. Simply hit the Send button, and your report will be on its way. No additional downloads or attachments necessary, thanks to QuickBooks' built-in functionalities. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've emailed an employee report directly from QuickBooks, saving time and streamlining your workflow. Keep practicing these steps, and before you know it, emailing reports will be second nature. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.